In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Need to start by selecting this app called Theme Store and picking any theme you like from Home section at the bottom left corner and Themes category at the top. You can also find perfect theme by clicking on the search bar and typing in wherever you want to, or selecting category at the bottom and picking one of those options here. Wherever you decided after finding your theme, hit apply at the bottom and wait. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that theme of my OPPO has changed. If you ever wanna go back to your default one, hit Me section at the bottom right corner of Themes app. Then click My Resources here and tap on Apply above Default Theme. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!